Welcome to Orien Vibes, where the essence of the East meets the power of positive energy. Orien comes from the Latin word meaning the east direction, and vibes are all about the vibrations and energy surrounding us. At Orien Vibes, we believe in harmonizing the cardinal energy in your home or living space to help you make the most of the life you live. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you practical tips, inspiring ideas, and a touch of tranquility to enhance your everyday living experience. Imagine coming home to a space that not only reflects your personality, but also nurtures your well-being. That's the magic we aim to bring into your life. Whether you're looking to create a peaceful sanctuary, boost productivity, or simply find more joy in your surroundings, Orien Vibes is here to guide you. Join our community and start your journey to a more balanced and harmonious living space. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Orien Vibes to stay updated with the latest content that will help you create the best living environment within your home.